What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Today we heading to Joe Buddy Racing. Check up on Mr. Jones. Holler at Unc, man, cause I ain't seen Unc about 2 weeks. I've been on the move, and we're going to drop the shots off for John Jones, so we can go ahead and get them things mounted up and all that. And we just gonna hang out at the shop today, man. Little shop vlog, you know. So I'm just pulling up on everybody. Like I said, since I ain't seen my Unc about 2 weeks. Cause just being on the move, so we about to go down here, man, and y'all ain't seen Mr. Jones in about 2 weeks and all that. I'll be bringing it back home soon. And yeah, let's hit the road, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all. We're at the shop. Old Monte Carlo. Aunt finally got here. Clean, man. You came to the car meet. Shout out to Edward, man. Came to the car meet, then you saw this. The same wheels. I think he has some different wheels at the car meet though. Sound good too. Right, clean. It's clean, y'all. Yes, indeed. Yeah, man. I've been getting it in. Salt bed over there. Some pressure in it. Bunch of different stuff. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. Just down here chilling at the shop. Like I said, a little shop day. I've been gone for 2 weeks. This and that. Y'all see my boy Tim over here. What's up, Tim?
Hey, what's going on, Jay?
Man, where you been at, man?
Oh, I be around, man.
Hey, man, y'all know Tim, man. Y'all see Tim be at the car meet, be at the shop. Over here. Already done did a job that quick, y'all. Just tore the AC up on this thing right here. Blowing snowballs. I'm talking about the window get white on the outside, man. It's so cold now. But yeah, man. Got Rock Man right here. Oil pressure.
All pressing, these doors, exhaust shop.
Exhaust, waiting on exhaust. This.
Hey, check this out, Dave. They ain't want to tell that. Don't build my boy. Little motor over there, the Kia book.
What one?
Over there on the stand. Wrapped up.
Y'all see that? say that for a little crazy.
That for a little crazy.
Hey.
Clint don't got him a G body. Clint don't got him a G body.
Oh yeah, Clint is the Mustang, y'all. Y'all remember the Mustang, Ray? Said that right there is coming to kill little crazy. Yeah. Yeah, he said he coming to kill him, man. Man, I ain't know they said Cuzzo walked off the driveway. I ain't know that. I been going on vacation. Cuzzo walked off the driveway and said it's an 1/8 mile. You can't do that, Cuzzo. Tell me it's an 1/8 mile. Hey man, y'all go to the comments of Micro Mikey. Since he's still going on about it, y'all go to the comments of Micro Mikey and tell him Gap. Just put Gap. Oh, just put Gap, y'all. Y'all know Mr. Jones stretched him out. I said that ain't gonna work. Had a little mishap. But look, man, my cousin's still delusional, man. I talked to him today. I said, look, man. Well, we talking on some other stuff. I said, man, y'all go to Micro Mikey last video and put Gap in all caps. That's what y'all put. Gap. Then he come to the track, it's gonna be real train smoke. Major train smoke. So yeah, we just chilling over here, man. I brought the shots. Over there from Mr. Jones, this and that, man. Them things so pretty. All that. It back there in the back right now. We'll probably pull it up here in a little bit. So yeah, man. Y'all just stay tuned in. We're gonna see what we get into. Alright, y'all. Y'all see it. Pontiac, man. Sound good. Big block Pontiac. That thing sound good. Good, y'all. All Pontiac. True Pontiac. This thing sound good. Y'all done seen it before. I don't think I never let y'all heard it though. That boy hitting it. This boy sound good. Yeah, that Pontiac hitting. I don't think I ever let y'all heard it. Y'all seen it, but y'all ain't never heard on thing. But y'all done seen it. That thing sound good. That time y'all see it, y'all need to see it, some burnout smoke.
Oh yeah. Oh, hey.
Now you gotta keep the tires on the rim.
Don't bun these tires out.
Yeah, not them.
You know, I normally get me a set of
Yeah,
tires.
boy, he so will. Y'all know that. Boy, y'all know that. Yeah, these right here, boy. They cost a little more than some 15. Don't burn them off. Yeah, that thing sound good, y'all. I think this y'all first time hearing on the vlog, but sound too good. Pump gas, true street car. Alright, y'all, we checking in. Mr. Jones, man, still got the tires still got some of the evidence from the tires. You see it. Gotta watch my boy up, man. Watch my boy up. Let me see. Ain't seen my boy in a week. Still got wifey parts back here, condenser for the money, Carlo. Y'all see it. Oh, hold on. Put all this back in the middle. Put all my stuff back in the middle. Let me see. Man, what a flap. Oh, man, I gotta do something about this. Make soda flap. I gotta make soda flap. Oh, y'all can't. I just got y'all point everywhere. Let's see. Yes, indeed. Mr. Jones. Mr. Jones ready. Still on go. That boy here ready. Put them socks on, boy. Oh. Got the Fred oil tank. I mean, I forgot to bring the stuff, man. Yeah, it's smelling good. Let's see, let's get it on there. Boom. Oh, I got it. It's all leak. Jones said he ready to go. Hey y'all, man, we just talking to Aunt, man. I said this is a gas drinking truck right here, boy. And he told me he just went to Cordell and then used but a tank of gas and came back. That's a ride from here. I said, man, I don't know. It just when I drive the stuff, man, it don't drink so much gas. The dually truck, man, it still drink so much gas, boy. And I tell you, Aunt, man, I just seen he finally put the LEDs in there. Finally got him in, man. You gotta remember the mat still in here. I can't go over there, I might get copyright. But anyway, yeah, y'all. Just been chilling at the shop today. We just been cooling out, trimming out. all that good stuff. Y'all got to see Mr. Jones. Y'all heard Mr. Jones here, that going good and all that. We dropped the shots off. What else we done did? Man, it's just been a good day, man. Feel good outside today and all that. I'm finna get back, get to work. Cause tomorrow, let me see what I plan tomorrow. Tomorrow, I think we're gonna start on big meats. We're gonna start on big meats. We're gonna do the engine bay prep. Go ahead and put the mounts in, all that good stuff. Probably go ahead and paint under the end. No, we're gonna take the mounts out. We're gonna take the mounts out. We're gonna paint under the engine bay tomorrow. That's what we're doing tomorrow. That's what's on the agenda. Cause we're gonna let that dry. We gotta let that dry. So we're gonna pressure wash, paint the engine bay, all that good stuff, get it ready, and then we're gonna let it dry overnight. So that's what we're gonna have going on tomorrow. And then we're gonna put the new engine mounts on in and all of that. And then I'm gonna hit DJ, kind of see where he at with everything with the transmission. If he say next week or sometime, then we go ahead and stick the engine in. I gotta go pick my engine hoist up. We're gonna have to go get the engine hoist out storage. So we're gonna go pick that up, cause we're gonna need that. Set that thing in there. I'm gonna hit my boy Rick up, man, see what Rick got going on. If Rick busy and all that, then I'm gonna just go ahead and stick it in and all that. Cause like I said, I appreciate everything my boy do, but sometimes he be busy. He does do work on other people's cars and all that stuff. And man, I don't know. I was just looking at this, y'all. I was looking at this Benz right here, see what they got going on. But yeah, I'm gonna hit Rick up, man, see what my boy got going on too. And yeah, I know y'all love seeing us work together and collab and all that. He ain't got nothing going on, man. We'll collab on that. Sitting the big block in there and bolting the headers up at least, which make me think I got to go get some header bolts. All that little knick-knack stuff. Man, we just gonna take another summer trip. Either way, I'm gonna stick it in there, then we might make a video putting the headers in separately. But we'll at least get the engine set in there and bolt it down. At least bolt it down. You know, sitting in this place, bolt it down, all that good stuff. Then we'll put the headers on and maybe put the front accessories on and all that stuff, man. I really don't like fooling with this stuff. Not that front accessories, that March stuff, but we might go ahead and put all that on. Carburetor, all that good stuff. And then we'll put the transmission in later, like I said. But we're gonna see what DJ got going on. I'm gonna hit DJ tomorrow and see, get a time frame. Like I said, I don't be rushing and all that. DJ, one of my sponsors, Showtime Transmission Rebuilds. Hit them up. The number is in the description of every single video. Hit him up. Y'all know I stand behind his work, his transmission, 1000%. It's a Showtime transmission in every single old school I own. Big meat Showtime transmission power now. So when we get wifey car back, I'm taking that transmission out and it's gonna be Showtime transmission power. So Showtime transmission in every single thing I own when it comes to old school, from mile to wow. So you ain't see the video. You see we're doing the ultra bale for big meats, T8 400, full manual valve body, billet valve body, trans brake, all of that. Got the 1350 conversion for the rear, everything. It's going down. So yeah, man, before this month is over, what y'all got to look forward to, the big block going in. We're going back to Summit. We're gonna get the rest of the other stuff. We're gonna drop another bag, get the rest of the other stuff. We might go ahead and cash out and get the stuff for Rhythm and Blues too. We just might. We might go ahead and buy the rotating assembly, man. I don't know. It just depends on how I'm feeling. But we just might. But y'all, we got some bangers coming. We got some bangers coming, man. Y'all got to see Unc, see what he got going on. Like I said, come over here and holler at my Unc, cause I hadn't seen him in 2 weeks. So we just been chilling. Tim been over here. Y'all seen Tim and all that. We just been chilling, man. Enjoying the day and all that good stuff. Let y'all see Mr. Jones. Mr. Jones in good health. Unc gonna go ahead and throw the shocks on there. Then we ain't gonna be able to adjust them really till we go to the track. So we're gonna have a track day coming up called the car ready to go. The car ready to go. This is what I'm waiting on. This is why I don't go racing people until I'm ready. But now I can say I'm ready. I am ready. We finna put them shocks on. I got a bump button, so we ain't got to worry about not being able to stage up and bumping. Hey, I'm ready. Y'all about to see, it's about to go down now. We about to unleash some fire. That's all I'm about to say. I'm about to unleash some pressure. Pump gas first. Somebody gonna have to make me come off of that pump gas. Somebody gonna have to make me go on race gas. I'm gonna say that. Cause right now, the number my car run on pump gas, when them shots go on that car, I already know what it's gonna do. And for my car to be like it is, it's a problem. It really is. Pump gas, true street car, AC, no race seats, no light race seat, no weight took out of it, no fiberglass components. Car is a problem, I'm telling you. So somebody gonna have to make me come out the pump gas. Right, that car always on 93. When we get finished putting these shots on, somebody's gonna have to make me come out pump gas and turn that car. I have not had to turn that car yet. I ain't saying, I'm saying yet. It's some bad street cars out there, but I have not had to turn that car yet. But it about to be showtime. I get Big Dolo back. We got a shot for Big Dolo. It's gonna be showtime on that. I'm just gonna dial it in. John Jones ain't gotta be dialed in. Only thing gonna have to be dialed in there is the shock. The shock suspension, the suspension gotta be dialed in, which ain't gonna take long. But the engine and all that, it dialed in, it's ready to go. Dolo, everything gotta be dialed in. Engine, suspension for radials and suspension for 26s. So that car there gonna take some tuning. Big Dolo gonna take some tuning. But this how you do it. You get your program right, man. That's how I do it. I get my stuff running right, so it ain't popping, pooping, all that. Spend the money one time, be done with it. Go test. Then when you come out and you ready to race, you ready to race. You ain't got to make no excuses. Somebody beat you, they beat you at their best, and that's what it is. You ain't got to make no excuses. Either you win or lose. That's what it gonna be with me. Either I'm gonna kick somebody's teeth in, they gonna kick my teeth in on the track. That's how it happen. So yeah, man, it about to go down. Then Big Meats gonna be the same thing, man. I'm gonna rent the track, dial Big Meats in on the nitrous, on the motor, and I'm gonna be ready to go. That's it. Like I said, I am not a grudge racer. I say that. I ain't a grudge racer. I'm racing people. Only people that don't take this junk serious, cause people so quick to get serious about this stuff, man. It's junk fun at the end of the day. It ain't that serious, man. I keep saying that. It's not that serious. So if somebody gonna get serious, if somebody don't fool with you, they ain't got no business racing you. I ain't racing nobody. If I know you don't fool with me, I'm not racing you. You can say I'm scared or whatever. It's just to avoid conflict, cause I don't like all that behind the scenes talking or this, if this, and it. We ain't doing all that. Cause when I lose, I just say I lost. That be that. I don't be nothing else attached to it. I'm like, I'm gonna come get you next time. That's all it is. That's how race is supposed to be. But I've been doing it a long time. A lot of people ain't set like that, set up like that, but it's all good. But yeah, that's it. We've been at the shop today. Y'all got a shop video. Joe Buddy Racing. Y'all make sure to go subscribe to my channel, Joe Buddy Racing. Just type that in, it's gonna pull up. Y'all make sure to subscribe to his channel. Everything finna crank back up over here. That's all I can say. Everywhere, everything finna crank up. If you with me and this and that. So that's it, y'all. Brown Coat Gang. We out. I catch y'all later.